Ever found yourself a little short on cash, but with a big payday just around the corner? You're not alone. And that's where beforepay comes in. But how do you maximize your earnings with this innovative platform? Let's dive in. Understanding beforepay. Beforepay is a financial technology platform that allows you to access a portion of your future earnings early. It's like getting a prepaid salary advance, but without the traditional hassles. How to sign up? Download the app. The first step is to download the beforepay app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account. Sign up with your basic information, including your employment details. Link your bank account. Connect your bank account to the app to facilitate smooth transactions. Complete the verification process. Follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and employment. Maximizing your earnings. Time your withdrawals wisely. While you can withdraw funds as needed, timing your withdrawals strategically can maximize your earnings. Consider withdrawing smaller amounts more frequently to avoid potential fees and to keep your cash flow steady. Understand the fees. Be aware of the fees associated with using beforepay. While they're generally reasonable, understanding them can help you optimize your earnings. Use the app regularly. The more you use the app, the more likely you are to unlock additional features and benefits. Regular usage can also improve your creditworthiness, which could lead to higher withdrawal limits and lower fees. Provide feedback. Don't hesitate to share your feedback with the beforepay team. Your input can help improve the platform and potentially unlock new earning opportunities. Common questions. Is beforepay safe? Yes, beforepay is a secure platform that prioritizes users' data privacy. It employs advanced security measures to protect your information. How much can I withdraw? The withdrawal limit varies depending on factors like your employment status, income level, and usage history. Are there any hidden fees? Beforepay is transparent about its fees. There are no hidden charges. How long does it take to receive my funds? Once approved, funds are typically transferred to your bank account within a few business days. Tips for responsible usage. Budget wisely. Use beforepay responsibly. Avoid overspending and create a budget to manage your finances effectively. Pay back on time. Make sure to repay the advanced amount on your scheduled payday to avoid additional fees and penalties. Use beforepay for emergencies. While beforepay can be a convenient tool for everyday expenses, it's best suited for financial emergencies or unexpected costs. Beforepay offers a flexible and convenient way to access your earnings early. By understanding the platform's features, maximizing your earnings, and using it responsibly, you can leverage this innovative tool to improve your financial well-being. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.